Hi, this is Thomas from Mars Moon Space TV. I want to share an awesome and great picture with you. This is an image from ESA, European Space Agency, and it's from an area called Turby or Turby Crater. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it correct. This is a great picture. An ESA or European Space Agency has brought up a lot of good pictures, but this one is at the time right now on top of my list. This is actually number 1 or 2 on my list today. I'll show you why. Most of you have seen the movie Close Encounter of the Third Grade, and you remember Devil's Tower. Take a look at this one here and tell me what that reminds you about. Doesn't that remind us a little bit about Devil's Tower? See the top of it here, and you see the sides of it here. This is a great one. I do believe that this is something similar to Devil's Tower from Close Encounter of the Third Grade. Third Kind, sorry. This is a great picture. I don't know how close we can get without it getting too blurry, but it clearly to me looks like it's round on the top and it has the same kind of sides as Devil Towers has. Look, there's something to it here also that doesn't look natural. I cannot explain what it looks like. It looks like a round object created by metal bars and put together. I'm speechless. Anyway, this is a great picture, but it's not ending here, because I think we got something to it here. I really think we got something besides all the stuff you can see around here that looks weird and odd. There is this little area over here. Look at these objects on top of that. I call it platform or square platform. Look at this one here. This platform it's laying on goes all the way over here, and you can even see a freaking road going down here, an access path to this platform up here where all this is at. It's a square box. Come on, guys. Don't tell me that, oh, there is a guard, and this guard, he created a lot of square boxes and put them on top of platform and created a access path to it also, so that's why it's natural. Look at this round object laying here with a round ball in the middle. Oh, it's just God creating weird stuff. Yeah, right it is. Come on, guys. How much more proof do we need? There is life on Mars, and there is probably still a civilization up there tumbling around doing whatever civilizations on Mars are doing. I cannot speak out about that because I simply don't know. The Devil's Tower here, and look at all these odd shapes, stuff around. Something here, something here, something here, and over here. But the most convincing part is this area here, and it does to me look like some kind of construction. And what is that object laying here? It's a white object on this platform here. What are we looking at here? I can't go any closer, I just can't zoom. I'm zoomed in at maximum. Take a look at this one. A platform here, an access road down here, and I don't know where this road leads to. There's this round object here with a round ball in the middle, and there is this object here going up on top, which is what looks like a ring. I don't know if anything is supposed to be attached to that ring up here. This is truly amazing. There's something over here also, and look at this one here. It looks like a round pipe standing upright with a square top on top of this round pipe here. Come on, guys. This is not. This is God and His work. No. God didn't create this, Martians did. Oh, another theory, humans did. Do we know? No, we don't, because nobody is telling us anything. But yet we can go find all these odd stuff on Mars, on ESA picture, on NASA images, on picture from Indian Space Agency. I urge you, I will leave a link to this Gigapan here. I will urge you to go take a look at that Gigapan, spend some time on it, look around, and then tell me that this is just natural formations. Why, look at this one here, it looks like that you can actually go underneath this huge platform. And what is that big object up here? Is it just a natural rock? To be honest, most of you that have seen my video knows that I don't believe that much of it is natural. I've been talking with other UFAM members before about this, I call it rockifying elements. You can rockify a rock or you can rockify a piece of metal to look like a rock. The word rockified is of course covering for airbrush it or using some tools on Photoshop to make everything look like a rock or make it look like the surroundings. Take a look at this one over here. It's also amazing to look at. What is this hole in the middle? It doesn't look like an actual crater. And I'm not trying to be funny, but this actually looks like a little angry, unhappy smiley here. I urge you to go have a look at this Gigapan. I'll leave a link to it. It's created by a guy that called himself for TNT on the Gigapan side here. This is a nice one, TNT, whoever you are. Come on guys, take a look at it, tell me what you think. Is it God that has created all this, or is it the civilizations or the rest of the civilization we can see here? Leave a comment in the comment box on YouTube or on Facebook. Until we see us again, take care, bye.